All right, let's just get right into it. Forget all the sci-fi predictions about AI that are set, 10 or 20 years from now. The big job transformation isn't coming. It's already here. It's happening right now, in 2026. This isn't some future forecast. It's what's happening on the ground today.
So, let's start with a number. 45,363. What is that? Well, that's the number of people laid off in tech in just the first few months of 2026. But here's the crucial part. This isn't because the economy is tanking. Nope. This is a direct result of a massive, strategic pivot across the entire industry, a pivot towards AI.
And this quote from an Amazon exec, it just says it all. Amazon cut 16,000 jobs while reporting record-breaking revenues. Think about that. This isn't about a company trying to save money because they're in trouble. This is about completely rebuilding the company around an AI engine to be faster and more efficient. It's a whole new playbook.
Now, I know we've seen big tech shifts before, but trust me, this time it really is different. In the past, automation was all about physical, manual labor, robots on a factory floor. This new wave, it's aimed squarely at cognitive, white-collar work. The new AI doesn't just assist people. In a growing number of cases, it straight up acts in their place.
So, what's the actual technology making this all possible? What's really under the hood? To get that, we have to understand the huge leap we've made from those simple AI assistants of the past to the incredibly powerful AI agents that are driving this whole takeover.
The key phrase you need to know is agentic AI. And no, this is not just another chatbot that answers a question you type in. Not even close. We're talking about autonomous systems that can actually reason, make plans, and then carry out complex, multi-step tasks all on their own. Companies aren't just seeing them as tools anymore. They're literally deploying them as AI employees. But you might be wondering, okay, how do these AI agents actually do anything? A brain in a jar is useless, right? It needs to connect to the world. And that's where something called MCP, the Model Context Protocol, comes into play. It's the critical piece that lets these AI brains securely plug into all the real-world business tools, your databases, your software, everything. Honestly, the easiest way to wrap your head around MCP is to just think of it as the USB port for AI. Remember before USB, how every single device had its own crazy custom plug? It was a nightmare. Well, MCP creates that universal standard, so now any advanced AI can instantly and securely connect to any business tool. It's a total game changer. And these are the specialized brains running the show. We're way beyond general-purpose chatbots now. These are specialized cognitive engines. You've got GPT 5.2, which is a beast at complex financial analysis. You have Gemini 3 Pro, which can reason across video and audio feeds. And then you've got models like Devin that can write and deploy software completely on their own. Each one is a powerhouse aimed at a very specific type of white-collar work.
Okay, so with all that incredible tech now in place, we have to ask the inevitable question. Which jobs are in the direct line of fire? Let's take a look at who's really feeling the heat from this massive shift.
When you look at the data, the pattern is pretty clear. The highest risk jobs are the ones all about organizing information. The displacement risk is up to a staggering 85% for call center operators. And roles like proofreaders, translators, and market research analysts, they're all facing a risk of over 50%.
And if we zoom in on those top 3 categories, you can see it's all heavily language-based. Call centers, proofreading, translation. The simple truth is, the efficiency gains you get from an AI that can work 24/7, understand nuance, and process information instantly, well, it's just too big of an advantage for companies to ignore. But here's a twist that might surprise you. It's not just administrative jobs. This quote from the AI company Anthropic, of all places, points to what they're calling a junior developer crisis. Basically, as these AI coding agents get smarter and smarter, the need for entry-level human coders is actually shrinking. That's a huge deal for the future talent pipeline. And the impact is climbing the corporate ladder, too. Get this, according to Gartner, about 20% of big companies are on track to eliminate more than half of their middle management positions by the end of 2026. And why? Because AI is getting really good at the core jobs of a middle manager, reporting on progress, monitoring work, and routing tasks.
So, what all this really points to is a fundamental change in business strategy. Let's look at this new corporate playbook, where layoffs are actually being used as a strategic tool, not as a sign that a company's in trouble. Just look at this list. These are incredibly profitable, growing companies.
We're talking Amazon, Block, Salesforce, Meta. They are all making major cuts, specifically so they can reinvest that money in AI and rebuild their workflows around these autonomous agents. Look at Salesforce, cutting staff because AI now handles half of its customer support.
At the end of the day, what we're witnessing is a massive economic shift. The capital, the money that was once budgeted for human salaries, is now being redirected. It's being used to buy the computational power, the GPUs, the data centers, the AI models that fuels this entirely new way of working.
But look, displacement is only one side of the coin. This whole AI transformation is also creating a brand new landscape of opportunity. It's defining new roles and, maybe most importantly, it's highlighting where human skills are more valuable than ever before.
So yeah, while some jobs are being automated away, completely new, high-value career paths are popping up to manage all this new tech. We suddenly need AI governance experts to make sure things are fair and legal, AI security specialists to fight new kinds of threats, and even human-AI collaboration managers whose whole job is to manage the workflow between people and their new AI colleagues.
This brings us to a new division of labor. AI is taking over the stuff that requires massive scale, incredible speed, and routine execution. And what that does is it frees up us humans to focus on the truly irreplaceable stuff: critical thinking, long-term strategic planning, empathy, and creative problem solving. The future isn't AI versus humans, it's AI amplifying human intelligence.
And here's a fascinating little counter-trend. As AI becomes just everywhere, companies are actually starting to worry about our core skills getting rusty. Gartner predicts that by the end of 2026, half of all organizations will start requiring AI-free skills tests just to make sure their employees can still think for themselves without an AI safety net. How wild is that?
Which leaves us with this final, crucial question to think about. AI is getting incredibly good at mastering the cognitive work of today, but that opens up a massive opportunity. The uniquely human challenge, and where we can provide the most value, is to be the ones who define the meaningful, the creative, and the strategic work of tomorrow.